Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Petrojam is reporting that it has successfully transitioned to low sulfur heavy fuel oil. General Manager of Petrojam Winston Watson says the refinery was in preparation mode for close to 2 years, so there are very few glitches during the transition. On January 1 this year, the International Maritime Organization introduced regulations to lower the sulfur cap on marine fuels from 3 to 0.5%. This is designed to significantly curb pollution produced by ships worldwide. The U.S. Labor Department is reporting that the unemployment rate declined to 13.3% in May from 14.7% in April. That's a surprising turnaround after months of job losses. Analysts say it's a sign that the economy is recovering more quickly than projected. Nevertheless, the U.S. unemployment rate remains the worst since World War II. And the Bank of Jamaica BOJ is reporting that the net international reserves NIR declined in May. At the end of May, the NIR was valued at a little over $2.9 billion US. It was down by $228 million US compared with the previous month. To currency trading now, it ended today with the Jamaican dollar continuing to strengthen. It traded for the US at $141.35. The Canadian dollar closed at $106.33. The pound is going for $181.47, while the euro sold for $162.32. The JSE index lost 15 points today, and the junior market index is down 5 points. Among the winners were Palace Amusement, Fosrich, Key Insurance, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, and Jamaica Stock Exchange. Now on the losing side were Siboney Group, Consolidated Bakeries, Knoxford Express Services, Cygnus Credit Investments, and Lasco Manufacturing. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.